Okay. Lesson 6, conflict management and sustainable peace. First of all, the conflict, we have to define conflict and management, conflict management, positive and negative aspect or effect of conflict as well. Okay. In today's class, we'll discuss on conflict management, conflict management, and positive and negative effect of conflict. Okay. So here, one, conflict is the mental struggle. If we define conflict, it is as the mental struggle uh, from incompatible or opposing needs, drives, wishes, or external or internal demands. This is the first definition of conflict. Likewise, conflict is the serious disagreement. Okay, conflict is the serious disagreement between or among the parties. Yes, that may create social problems, and that may the invite debate between or among the members in the society. And similarly, conflict is the state of disagreement between two or more parties. That is known as conflict. So you can see on the screen there is the definition of word. Okay, there is some definition of conflict or introductions of conflict. Mental struggle resulting from compatible or opposing needs, drives, wishes, or external or internal demands is known as conflict. The first point is that. And similarly, according to the second point, conflict is serious disagreement or arguments about something important, right? यो महत्त्वपूर्ण हो यो होइन भनेर त्यसमा के हुन्छ डिबेट हुन्छ हैन आफ्टर आफ्टर डिबेटिङ इन अ पर्टिकुलर टपिक or in a particular issues, people begin to fight by showing the importance on their viewpoint. सबैले के गर्छ मेरो राम्रो भन्न थाल्छ कि है यो मेरो राम्रो हैन अर्थात मेरो विचार राम्रो अरूको नराम्रो मेरो धारणा राम्रो अरूको नराम्रो भनेर मान्छेहरु के गर्न थाल्छन् they begin to fight or they begin to quarrel. Then it creates conflict. Sometimes it is also called war, no, especially in international level war, no, conflict is also known as war. And if two people or group are in conflict, they have had a serious disagreement, right? They have had a serious disagreement or argument and have not yet reached agreement. These three terms, see, disagreement, argument, and agreement. उनीहरु के गर्छन् भन्दा मेरो कुरा महत्त्वपूर्ण हो अथवा म सर्वेसर्वा हुँ म ठुलो हुँ हैन जसले पनि आफूले आफूलाई के गर्छ म पाइत्व हुन्छ नि जब म पाइत्व भनेको आफूले आफैलाई महत्त्व दिने अर्थात आफूलाई मात्रै के गर्ने आई एम एभ्रिथिङ के म सबै चीज हुँ भन्न खोज्यो भने दैट इट दैट्स गिभ बर्थ टु द वर्ड कन्फ्लिक्ट र यसले के गर्छ यो द्वन्द्व उत्पन्न गर्ने हो एक्ज्याक्टली द्वन्द्व भनेको के हो भन्दा यो डिसएग्रीमेन्ट कुनै दुईवटा पार्टी अथवा दुईवटा व्यक्तिहरूको बीचमा कुरा नमिल्नु र त्यसबाट के गर्ने सिरियस डिसएग्रीमेन्ट हुनु है त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ कन्फ्लिक्ट भन्छौँ अनि अर्को शब्दमा भन्नुपर्दा कन्फ्लिक्ट इज द स्टेट अफ डिसएग्रीमेन्ट यो एकअर्कामा नमिल्नु कुराकानी नमिल्नु हैन र त्यो कुराकानीको केसले के गर्नु भन्दा उनीहरू एउटा सिरियस केससम्म पुग्नु त्यो के हो त भन्दा कन्फ्लिक्ट they have had serious disagreement or argument or have not yet reached agreement र एग्रीमेन्ट सम्म नपुग्नु नै के हो त भन्दा चाहिँ कन्फ्लिक्ट हो So now you can copy it. If copy, then let me know. Okay. If you write it, here is a question. See, question: what are the negative effects of conflict? Number one, okay. What are the negative effects of conflict? And number two, list any five please write the answer for these two questions. Write your answer. Okay. Can you? Huh? Can you write the answer for these two questions? What are the negative conflict? List any five positive effects of conflict. Yes. Management means well-being. Right? Management means maintaining well-being, or it is the process of maintaining, reducing the negative aspect. The process of reducing negative aspect is known as management, or it is the process of maintaining well-being is known as management. म्यानेजमेन्ट व्यवस्थापन भनेको के हो त भन्दा नकारात्मक समस्याहरू अर्थात् जो नकारात्मक कुराहरू छन् ती कुराहरूलाई, नकारात्मक पक्षहरूलाई समाधान गर्दै के गर्ने, सकारात्मक पक्षहरूको विकास गर्ने प्रक्रियालाई के भनिन्छ, म्यानेजमेन्ट भनिन्छ. म्यानेजमेन्ट क्यान बी डिफाइन्ड भेरियसली विदिन भेरियस institution, various organizations. Like if we talk about organization, it will or it can be defined as the management is the process of well staffing, might be. But in case of conflict, that we are talking on conflict management. So this is the term management is refers as the process of maintaining well-being in the nation, or the process of reducing war disagreement is known as what, that's management. Or it is the process of limiting the negative aspect. यसले के गर्छ, नेगेटिभ एस्पेक्टहरूलाई घटाउँछ र पोजिटिभ एस्पेक्टहरूलाई यसले के गर्छ, बढाउँदै लैजान्छ. अर्थात् after reducing the negative impacts, absolutely or suddenly the positive aspect may go up. Right? After reducing negative impact. Okay. So, and next point, see the next point here. Okay. So it is the process of developing the coordination and cooperation between or among the parties is also known as management. So conflict management. Now it's time to define conflict management. Okay, it's time to define conflict management. I think you might define yourself now after seeing these two separate definition of conflict and definition of management, or introduction of conflict or introduction of management. Then you will able to define conflict management. Okay. So next question for you. Okay. What is conflict management? Now, so the questions: what is conflict management? Why is it necessary to develop the nation? Conflict management भनेको के हो र यो देश विकासको लागि किन आवश्यक छ है? That is, this question is for your homework है, यो होमवर्कको रूपमा गर्नेलाई. And similarly, I'm talking about conflict management. See, conflict management is the process of limiting the negative aspect of conflict while increasing the positive aspect of conflict. अब यसलाई हामीले के गर्ने भने, there are two aspects. Every subject matter has two aspects, one negative and positive. Similarly, this term conflict has also two aspects, one negative aspect and another positive aspect. And this is the process, or conflict management is the process of limiting the negative aspects of conflict. यसले पार्ने नकारात्मक प्रभावहरूलाई घटाउँदै जाने र यसबाट के गर्ने, we can get benefit है. It has many advantages. यसको फेरि फाइदाहरू पनि छन्. Not only that negative impact, but it has positive aspect also. And if we use them positively, we will certainly able to develop the nation, okay, by developing a positive aspect of conflict. And similarly, conflict management is the process of reducing or misunderstanding between reducing misunderstanding between among the parties by establishing mutual understanding, competing, okay, and compromising, collaborating, avoiding, and accommodating. Okay. Accommodating is the process of conflict management. We can manage conflict, we can reduce conflict by establishing mutual understanding among the members, or among the let's say society, among the nation, right? Or that's maybe national level or international level, okay? And likewise, it is the process by establishing mutual understanding, competing, and compromising. We have to compromise something, no? To get something, we need to compromise with somebody or something. हामीले यदि केही पाउनु छ भने केही कुरा के गर्नुपर्छ, कम्प्रोमाइज पनि गर्न सक्नुपर्छ है. हरेक क्षेत्रमा के हुँदैन, एभ्री सेक्टर हैजन्ट ओन्ली पोजिटिभ एस्पेक्ट. त्यसको पोजिटिभ मात्रै पनि हुँदैन र नेगेटिभ मात्रै पनि हुँदैन. सो वी हैव टु compromise. Okay? If we develop our compromising behavior and collaborating behavior, avoiding and accommodating behaviors, we can certainly able to manage conflict. This is the process of conflict management. It provides conflict gives opportunity. Hey, every obstacles give opportunity भन्छ नि. सबै जुन समस्या आउँछ त्यो समस्याको पछाडि के हुन्छ, it has suddenly solution र after that it has an opportunity. र त्यसपछि त्यसमा अवसर पनि हुन्छ, सल्युसन पनि हुन्छ. सो यो के हो त भन्दा यसले यो कन्फ्लिक्ट म्यानेजमेन्टले देश विकासमा पनि यसले टेवा पुर्याउन सक्छ र त्यस्तै हामीले कन्फ्लिक्टबाट आउने कुराहरूलाई हामीले यदि इफ वी युज देम पोजिटिभली वी क्यान डेभलप आवर नेसन. ओके, सो दिस मच फर टुडे, ओन्ली दिस मच फर टुडे. विल टक positive and negative aspect of conflict and sustainable peace, importance of sustainable peace in our next class. Okay.